Hey guys, this is Mr. No Time, and today we're going to talk about Korea and the cool and interesting places that we visited during our most recent trip. Quick disclaimer, we've been to Korea a couple of times, so this is not an all-inclusive guide. This trip was in fall of 2021 during the semi-lockdown, so now that Korea's opened back up for tourism, expect more crowds. Let's go. Stroll through Bukchon Hanok Village and take in the beauty of Korean history, preserved within an urban environment. It's one of the most picturesque spots in Seoul. Residents still live in this area, so please be respectful. Just a few blocks away from Bukchon is the trendy neighborhood of Ikseon-dong. Its narrow alleys are filled with unique restaurants, cozy cafes, cool boutiques, delicious desserts, small shops, and much, much more. Definitely put it on your to-do list. If you're in the city center, check out Seoullo 7017, a small urban park built on top of an old highway from the 1970s. If you come in the evening, the park will be illuminated with many colored lights. Seonyudo Park is located on a small island on the Han River. There isn't that much to see or do, but it does provide a great view of the river itself. Cats, 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 and more cats. If you're a cat lover like me, this place is heaven. Cat Garden is not your traditional cat cafe. The kitties are free to roam inside as well as outside in the garden. It also doubles as an adoption center and helps prospective cat owners see if raising a feline is really for them. Almost every single cat is friendly, and they'll gladly take a nap on your table or on your lap. Like I said, heaven. Side of the 1988 Olympics, we specifically went to the park to see the pink molly grass since it was in bloom during our time there. The park is located near the Lotte World Tower and right across from JYP Entertainment for all you K-pop fans out there. Seoul is not the most friendly place for drones, but the Hangang Drone Park is a designated area for all you drone pilots who want a beautiful aerial shot of the city and the Han River. If you're near Lotte World Tower or Olympic Park and need an Instagram backdrop, stop by this cool bookstore. Who knows, you might even find something nostalgic to read. Do you feel special? Are you not shy? Crazy like a maniac? Then Soulcup Cafe is for all you JYP Entertainment fans. You're probably not going to catch a glimpse of your bias in the flesh, but you'll be able to enjoy their music videos with a delicious drink or dessert. All organic, of course, courtesy of JYP. The Seoul Forest Park is a nice getaway from the bustling city. Not only does it have a view of the Han River, the park hosts a number of deer, a butterfly and insect garden, small pond, and much, much more. Great place to relax and have a picnic. If you like what you've seen so far, please like the video and subscribe. Let me know which places you are most interested in, and I'll try to make a more detailed video on it. This large cafe is set in an abandoned factory in the old factory district of Seoul. It has 3 floors of seating, including a rooftop area. Oh, did I mention there's also a treehouse? The cafe was also a filming location for the Netflix drama Vincenzo, as well as a few Korean variety shows. The following spots are all in the coastal town of Yeosu, a 3.5-hour train ride south of Seoul. We spent about 3 days, 2 nights here, and it was definitely the highlight of our trip. If you have time, get yourself down to Yeosu and enjoy the most romantic night ocean view of Korea. Catch some speed on downhill Luge go-karts, and then get some awesome photos for the gram. Not a bad way to spend an hour or two. Yeosu Art Land is full of random sculptures outside, including this huge hand of Midas. If you're not scared of heights, try their skywalk for an awesome view. Squid Games, anyone? Yeosu is known for their ocean view cafes, and Moi Fin has to be one of, if not the largest. It boasts a simple and clean modern design, multi-story seating, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a huge outdoor seating area. Can you imagine working from home with this incredible view? The Yeosu Cable Car is a must-do, as it provides a beautiful view of the town and coast. Buy a round-trip ticket and come back at night for a different, illuminating view. You can also play music in the gondola by connecting your phone to the speaker system via Bluetooth. My suggestion? Buskers, Yeosu Night Sea. If you know, you know. Odong is one of many small islands around Yeosu, and this one is walkable from the Jasan Cable Car stop. It's perfect for a nice walk or bike ride, but skippable if you're short on time. Visit the resident cat Thanos if you're in the area. Angel Mural Village is one of the main attractions of Yeosu, and you'll probably want to spend an entire day here. Not only is the place decorated with various art murals, it's also home to tons of restaurants and cafes with spectacular views of the town and sea. One of these cafes is the Rooftop Cafe. Like Moi Fin, it has floor-to-ceiling windows, multi-story seating areas, and of course, a rooftop view. Seriously, this place is an influencer's dream come true. So grab a seat, take a sip, and influence away. Another small island around Yeosu is Jangdo, also known as the Island for Art and Healing. It features many art installations and is home to some artists as well. There's also a cafe and a museum, as well as multiple walking trails. The pedestrian footpath actually submerges with high tide, so make sure you check the tide schedule before you go. Well, that's it for today. I hope this video will be of some help planning your future trip to Korea. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a more detailed video of any of these places. As always, please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching Mr. No Time.